Good evening, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. So, before we go any further, take a moment, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. 12.2% of you that watch my channel are not subscribed. So there's a lot of you out there, but that means, or what is it, 18.2% of you are not subscribed, but that means 81.8% of my audience does subscribe to the channel after watching, which is a huge badge of honor, well above the national average. Also, if you want to see my Swing Traders Anonymous page, that link is in the video description. If you want to see my Twitter, which I highly encourage you to go to, it just went over 200 followers. I just created it a week ago. I did it to combat the YouTube problem with them not telling you my notifications, even if you haven't put the all on the bell notifications, and how my videos become delayed sometimes. So if you have my Twitter, you can get it ASAP right when I update my videos. When it becomes available to YouTube, I immediately upload it to Twitter. So now that we got the business out of the way, as you guys know, if you watch the short, I sold Solano at $78.65. Waited for Doge to retrace from that 32.9, 32.8 area until it got down to the bottom down here on the bottom of the channel at the retest spot. So, and it's looking very good. I'm just going to show you real quick. It had this stopping point, the same thing that I was seeing with Solano before it had these nice run-ups. It's been doing this in the whole pattern, and now it's got a bigger version of it. It coiled up. And like I said, my whole plan was to get back in Doge if I could. I rode Solano to that point to where it could come down or it could break in, but I made 14%, so I wasn't getting greedy, and I got Doge, and it consolidated the last day and a half. So I got Doge at a good price for the part of the pattern it's in. So it was nice. I got to save about 4% on Doge too, waiting it out. Maybe not, maybe not 4. Yeah, it's about 4, actually. So anyhow, that's just an update on the Solano and Doge. Solano's still the same thing exists if it can break over that $80. Go watch the update, but if it breaks over that $80.80, that's what I was looking for on the daily to close above there, but it got stomped right at the end. So that was my signal to get out and go back into Doge where I wanted to be. So XRP real quick. Let me clear some of this FUD. And yes, guys, I will promote my own stuff, because if I don't do it, who else will? It's just not a smart business move if you're trying to grow and you're not promoting yourself. Just remember that. You know your self-worth. So if you look at this logically with XRP, it's like I was saying earlier, guys. This is coming up, but there's no way that that's finishing the formation right there. If you stay above this line like we were trying to push above, like I kept telling you guys, and I kept saying that $1.05 was the perfect spot. So a lot of you guys took it. You know, but the ones who are paying attention are really doing good. So I'm going to focus on the ones that are actually listening. So, and if you need to, hit that dislike button, show your disapproval, so that, you know, everybody can see that I've done something to offend you. And that's a good way to show your disapproval. So, but XRP, like I said earlier, we're trying to get over that 128, and I believe it's got a double top. And we've been talking about this since $1.05. So nothing's changed. The market's volatile, but I believe it's got to come up to the local double top right here at minimum. I said that before. Yeah, can we get a burst off the top? Yes. And that's why we have that $1.50 mark in case Bitcoin goes to 32,000. I mean, 52,000. But what I think right now, if you're not in, I mean, it's risky, sure. But you love XRP, right? But it's starting to give you a signal we could start to be getting this another bottom right here. You know, this is only in the 1 minute, and if it holds up, you know, is what we got to see. But this, just like Doge, it's coiling up for something. That's a good sign. This might be the cheapest you can buy it until it gets, you know, back down on the bottom side of this little pump. But there's a pump coming. It looks like a pump's coming to finish this off. It really does. Bitcoin, you know, it's not just going to come down from there. It's got to do more, consolidated longer, and that's why I've been trying to beat a dead horse. But you guys can't just look at the headlines. You got to watch the whole videos. If you're not watching the whole videos, you don't get all the information. And if you're not getting all the information, how can you actually make an educated and informed decision? T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on XLM and Future Digibyte OG. If you want to donate, links in the description. Or if you want to really get my attention when you're asking me all these questions, Join Tom's Army, $9.99 a month. Easy, easy, easy. Excellent. Excellent. So if you want to buy an XRP, the most logical spot if you're looking for a retrace is $1.18. But it may never get back down there. It might only get down to $1.20 based on this formation. But I'm telling you right now, this part it's at right now, even though those are the support levels, 118 ultimate support, 120 the low support at this exact structure part, formation, where it's at right now could very well be the lowest you're going to see it until after the pump. Stay blessed, everybody.